Hello and welcome to another tutorial on how to curl hair naturally using only a hairbrush and a hairdryer without the use of a curling iron or hair straighteners. As you can see, this hair is naturally very curly, also very dry, so it's very important to dry it thoroughly. You have to straighten the hair first as to be able to create the effect you are looking for. With this type of hair, you can use any type of brush you want. Whether it's thick or thin, it doesn't matter, this hair can take it. As always, make sure to dry the roots completely and using downward motions create the curls. We are pointing the dryer downwards as to create desired effect. Using quick downward motions, heat the brush, not the hair, as to avoid damage. Make sure that the brush is not closed at the top. That way, the air can flow freely, heating the hair with no damage. On this type of hair, the hairstyle will last the longest because it is naturally curly and naturally very dry. However, we don't recommend beginners to start off with this type of hair. Again, using quick downward motions create the curl. Here you can see a close-up of what we're doing. Don't be afraid to experiment with this technique, as we are sure it will differentiate you from other hair salons and provide your clients with the best hairstyle possible with minimum damage. Dry the roots and point the hairdryer downwards. Even though it looks aggressive, this technique definitely does not create any damage, so you can do it freely without the fear of hurting your client. Curl the hair away from the face, or as you desire. Now we're trying to cool the hair so the hairstyle could last longer, and as you can see, the curls are airy, they are light, and the effect will be beautiful. And now, using some serum, comb the hair either with your fingers or with a comb. Remember, this technique does not cause any damage to the hair, and you can always use some hairspray to set it in place, but don't be afraid because the hairstyle will last much longer than with other techniques. And this is the final effect. As you can see, the hair is healthy, shiny, and beautiful. Don't be afraid to try this tutorial, as it will definitely help your business and differentiate you from other salons.